See the question now. Example number 2. The question says the atomic mass of oxygen 16 isotope is 15.9949 AMU. We are finding out the binding energy if total mass of one proton plus one neutron is 2.016490 AMU. Now we know oxygen atomic number is 8 and the isotopic mass number is 16. So this has 8 protons, 8 neutrons. This is going to be the data from 8016. So whose mass will be equals to 8 times the proton plus neutron will be the theoretical mass. This becomes the theoretical mass. Theoretical mass, if I say, what will be the theoretical mass? 8 into 2.06016490, which will be taken as theoretical mass, and that will be equals to 16.13192. This becomes the AMU. Let us take this as AMU. So the theoretical mass of 8 protons and 8 neutrons, we got 16.13192. Using the data, how can we find the delta M? Delta M can be calculated as theoretical mass minus actual mass. This is a simple logic. Theoretical mass, we got 16.13192 minus actual mass given 15.9949, which will be equivalent to 0.13702 AMU. So now we have the data exactly with us. What is delta M? How much AMU? We know 1 AMU is equivalent to a bond energy of 931.5 million electron volts. Now, if this much AMU, 0.13702 AMU, is equivalent to how much bond energy? So, the total bond energy is given by 931.5 into 0.13702, which is equivalent to million electron volts. I can use the unit, which is on calculation we get 127.6 million electron volts. So the answer we get is 127.6 million electron volts.